so Kapil, I am going to record your interview experience for MS program in IIT Kanpur in the
Yes, sir.
department DSEE. So that is Department of Sustainable Energy Engineering. That is how it
Yes,
is
sir.
called, right?
Yes, sir.
And Kapil, you are from mechanical engineering background.
Yes, sir. Mechanical
Okay,
engineering.
now I want this information from you, Kapil. When did you graduate? Your CGPA, your GATE score, and your category.
Of course, sir. Okay. Sir, I graduated in the year of 2018
Okay,
from mechanical department with the CGP of 8.73 and having a GATE score of 598 in the general category.
great.
Okay.
So Kapil, where else you got calls with this score? और कहाँ से call आया आपको?
Sir, in MTech, I got IIT Hyderabad, Polymer Biosystem,
Okay.
IIT Mandi, IIT Jammu.
नहीं वो
And,
मिल गया तुम्हें या अभी कॉल आया है वहां से? वो तो मिल गया होगा राउंड
like
वन
I
में.
have chosen one, the rest I have rejected. This
अच्छा, तो
is
कौन कौन सी सिलेक्शन फर्स्ट राउंड में कहाँ से सिलेक्शन हो गया था आपको?
IIT Jammu Thermal,
ओके, एमटेक.
MTech, IIT Mandi, MTech. In the
Okay.
IIT Mandi, they have also has experience.
ओके,
Okay, so that's why I've been selected. And
आपका
this,
एक्सपीरियंस था राइट
yes, I have experience
ऑफ?
of mechanical maintenance engineer.
कितने साल का मांगा था उन्होंने?
I have 2 years
ओके,
and 1 year internship during my final year. So, but they don't count internship generally. Generally, they don't count. So, and then IIT Ropar, this is biomedical. IIT Hyderabad, Polymer Biosystem Engineering. It is a new department. It was started last year only. And there is one from IIT Dhanbad, Tunnel Engineering.
ओके. तो आपने फिर कौन सा जीरो इन किया है फर्स्ट राउंड में?
In the Polymer Biosystem, IIT Hyderabad, because of
IIT
his
Hyderabad.
placement. of
Placements
IIT
are supposed to be good, yeah.
Yes.
And now let's come back to IIT कानपुर का जो DSSC डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सस्टेनेबल एनर्जी इंजीनियरिंग, उसमें
Yes,
MS
sir.
का. या
Sir, the procedure was 60% marks of GATE.
आपका ना साउंड नहीं आ रहा है कपिल, कई बार वो बैरियर कट रहा है.
Okay, sir.
हाँ.
So the procedure of selection, final selection, which they have given earlier was 60% GATE score, 20% written test, 20% interview.
Okay.
So now the written test, there were questions of 9 mathematics question. The first question was a matrix question, very easy question. Find the rank 3/2 matrix, not 3/3, not 2/2. So it was a bit tricky, but very easy. Second question was exact differential equation. Third was there was a differential equation given. We have to identify whether it is linear or non-linear or homogeneous or very very easy question. Fourth question was on Newton-Raphson method. Fifth was on eigenvector based on eigenvalue. It was 2 marks question. The rest one. And the last was higher order differential equation. It was 4 marks question. It was a very bit tricky question. Then one question of aptitude, which was based on average, very easy question. And then there was English question, there was comprehension given, and 3 questions were asked. So it was also very easy question. And then 18 basic science question for physics, chemistry, and 15 basic engineering question, which was same for mechanical, civil, electrical. All the branches were mixed. There was one common paper for all the branches. I scored 32 marks. And according to me, those students who have scored 40 or 50% marks, they would have been called for the interview. That's what my experience from my friends.
Okay.
So then I was shortlisted for interview. So one mistake which I did, I have selected preference as energy economics, but I prepared for solar energy, wind cell. That was the biggest mistake I've done. So future aspirants should be very careful what they have selected there. So first question was type of sustainable energy, like solar energy, fuel cells, wind cell, I told. So again, they came back to energy. What is energy economics? I told them. And next question was, what are the factors affecting energy in economics? So I told them the climate change, transportation, government policies, all these were there. Then they told me about how demand in particular area can be increased. So I told them about, like, if there is rainfall in one particular area, or wind or snowfall, then solar energy will not be there. The government policies can be there, and then during the peak festive seasons, these factors does happen. Then they came to maths. They gave me one equation, x raised to power 5 plus x4. They told me find solution. It was very easy question, basic maths question. And then there was a graph, sine x and line x equal to 2. I need to tell them where they meet.
Okay.
So all these questions were there.
अच्छा, अब कपिल, ये जो डिपार्टमेंट है सस्टेनेबल एनर्जी इंजीनियरिंग वाला डिपार्टमेंट, इफ somebody is to prepare for this department and go next year for this department,
Yes.
how he can prepare very well for that?
So those students who have selected energy economics, they must read what are the factors. They must elaborate. Then second thing, they need to focus on the efficiency, which I missed because I was more focused on other part. How we can increase the efficiency by reducing the input and increasing the output. This is means economics.
Okay.
And then maths, basic mathematics like linear equation, graphs, these only.
उसको करो.
Yes. And what are type of sustainable energy? Like you prepare only one, solar or fuel cell. This you need to prepare. And its result is also declared, but I am on the wait listing, number 2. Total 15 students have been selected and 11 are waitlisted. So this is all.
मतलब 15 selected हैं और 11 का waiting list है और आप number 2 पे हो.
मैं वेटिंग लिस्ट पे नंबर 2 पे, क्योंकि एक लड़के को एमटेक एमएस दोनों आया, शायद कोई चांस बन जाए, बाकी
नहीं नहीं, आपका 100% हो जाएगा, बिकॉज उसमें वेटिंग लिस्ट क्या होती है कि अगर 11 है ना तो मान के चलो 8 तक क्लियर हो जाती है, 2-3 बचते हैं, बाकी क्लियर हो जाती है. दैट इज एवरी ईयर्स सिचुएशन. So you be optimistic for that and be prepared for that, Kapil.
Yes. Okay.
Fine. Chalo, thanks a lot, Kapil, for sharing
Okay,
your interview experience. And next interview experience you pop up and share with me.
Okay, sure.
Fine.
Thanks.
Thank you.
It's because of your PD I got so much of chances with such a moderate grade score, 590
Okay.
general
Okay,
category.
great,
Thanks
great.
a lot.
Thank you.